You're watching this video because you probably own one of these devices. Well, this is the remote anyways. This is the Onn stick and box remote. And today I'm going to show you what to do if this suddenly stops working. If your remote is no longer functioning, I'm going to teach you how to repair it and what your options are if maybe it's too far gone. Like always, guys, I'm on a goal to 300K subs by the end of the year, so subscribe down below. Now, method number one is so easy that you might not do it because you're gonna be like, I already thought of that, but just trust me. It's actually removing and putting your batteries back in. Now, this could also involve potentially putting new ones in, but you'd be surprised how many people just don't charge their batteries or just leave old ones in. Now, it's also important if you're going to insert the exact same ones is to leave them out for 30 seconds. Now, once that 30-second period is over, it basically allows the remote to fully discharge. We can put the batteries back in, we can turn to our device, and you can now see we can scroll through our content like normal. Remote is working. But if that doesn't work, let's try step number two. Now, step number two is if your remote is working, but maybe it keeps functioning or messing up occasionally while you're using it. Well, there's two things you can do inside of your settings that's really important. The first is when you get to this little side scrolling settings menu, there's actually an option called update your remote people always forget about. And this is really important. So as often as possible, anytime this pops up, you should update your remote and make sure it's functioning properly. So we're going to give it a second here. It's going to go through the update. And just like this, our remote is updated, and that may fix any issues. But there's actually another thing we can do. We can go into settings up here, and we can scroll down until we find remote and accessories. Now, this is going to tell you all of the remotes you have connected. Now, for me, it shows the Onn remote. It also shows the battery percentage and the firmware percentage. But if your remote is not functioning properly, sometimes just forgetting it and allowing your remote to reconnect will fix most of the issues. So watch what happens when we click forget here. It's going to automatically pop up the prompt for your remote. You're going to go ahead and hold down the two keys just like this. And that should automatically reset the thing just like this. Oh, what happened there? Pairing successful. There we go. And now your remote should be back to normal. But what happens if you can't access this settings menu? Maybe your remote just doesn't work at all. Well, there's actually a solution they built into the device. So let me show you this. And I'm doing this today on my stick. I'm going to unplug the stick for a second to show you. So on the stick, let me get it within zoom here, there's actually a little hole right here. Now, on most of the boxes, they actually have a physical button built into it. Let me show you that. So here's one of the older Onn 4K boxes, and it actually has a physical button on the side, and that's going to work the same as this little hole that I'm going to show you what to do with. So with the Onn stick, all you'll want to do is find a little pin or something that you can stick inside this hole, and you'll kind of feel inside there's like a little physical button. So what you want to do is obviously have this plugged in so you can see it on your monitor. Give it a second here. I'm just going to let it load up with the signal. Now, once you're on your home screen, all you want to do is hold that button down for a few seconds. Give it a few seconds. Boo, boo, boo. And it's automatically going to go to the pairing screen. So this allows you to repair any Onn remote, even the one that maybe has not been working properly, and get you automatically to that pairing screen if it disconnected. And I would say this solves the majority of the issues between these three steps that you can follow. Now, if that's not working, you still have a few other options with your Onn stick and your box, so let's talk about those quickly. There are actually a lot of different affordable keyboard remote styles. Now, these are remotes that can connect directly to your device using a USB dongle or a Bluetooth connection. Now, a USB dongle is just this thing right here. You see this little USB connector that connects in? Well, that can just go directly to your device and it automatically connects the keyboard remote. It's actually really simple and really quick. So what I've done is link below in the description my favorite keyboard remotes for your device. They're all around $10 to $20 depending on which one you get. There's some that are $30, but they're all very affordable. Now, if your device does not have a USB port, well, we can still solve that as well. Like the stick versions, they don't have a USB port, but you can get an accessory like this right here. This is a splitter. So essentially this end right here where my mouse is over is going to plug into your power port. You'll then plug your normal power cord into this USB-C end, and then you can connect your USB drive directly to here, and that will be your receiver. So it's actually a really simple method, works really well. Hopefully this video helped you guys out. If it did, just a little bit, either comment down below, let me know that one of these steps worked for you, or subscribe to the channel. That helps too. Like always, guys, I'll see you in the next one.